Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Light Liger here, as always, and today we're going to be looking into top 4 BitTorrent token faucets. And BitTorrent is the biggest token on the Tron blockchain, most known at the same time, and I think it has a lot of immense potential because it already has a user base of millions. And basically, when they launched the whole ecosystem where you can buy speed boosts for your downloads through BitTorrent token, that's where the true value will show up. Will that be a niche? Will there be actual interest for that type of a thing? Are there other things they can implement BitTorrent token in their ecosystem? I think yes. So I think there's a lot of bullish potential for the project right now. And obviously it's kind of jumps also in prices because it's so small Satoshi relevant token. So that means that basically there's many fluctuations that can happen on a daily basis where you can make a lot of gains on day-to-day basis on day-to-day trading. But let's get started with the faucet. So first of all, we have Craigs24, which is an exchange that doesn't have KYC. Just email registration is all that you need to do in this website, and they have usually 2 BTT faucets. Right now there's one, which gives you 1 BTT only every 9 hours. You click the timer and you fill in a number captcha, and bada bing, bada boom, you got the BTT. Also in this site, you can trade on the market the tokens on a very low price. So even if you have 1 BTT, you can sell that. And that is very good in case you want to just sell it on the Bitcoin, if that's your goal. In case you want to hold BTT, you can keep accumulating on the website and sell these other shit coins on the thing and buy BTT with that. That also works. And then when you have enough money, you just withdraw the BTT to your Tron wallet address or whatever it may be. And it's definitely one of those that I recommend. This BTT reward, by the way, does go up at times. Sometimes you've been paying 5, sometimes it's 2. It almost changes on a daily basis, so it fluctuates. But let's move into our another faucet. So we have AltHub, and they have 2 types of faucets. You have a normal faucet, and then you have these short links that you can do, and they pay a flat fee in the currency of the website, which is called ALTH. And basically, once these coins basically have a Satoshi relevant price, and BitTorrent actually has a very low threshold for withdrawal, so you need only 53, which is the base minimum, and I have 98% filled already, so you can get it pretty fast. And also, including friends over, you get 20% from their earnings on the website, so that's pretty nice too. So you get your friends over and they will help you, and you accumulate a lot more claims per day. You can use the normal faucet every 15 minutes actually, and it pays you 5. So, and around 57 is needed for the base withdrawal for BitTorrent token. Moving on, we have all coins, and this one has auto faucets, normal faucets. It has games such as dice, free roll, offer walls, pay to click, advertisements, and even has an inbuilt swapping system. So let's say because I have a lot of referrals on this website, they accumulate or claim in different coins. So let's say I don't like coin, I don't want to claim Litecoin. I can actually it's the other way around. So we choose the token we want to purchase on the exchange inside the website, and let's say I don't want a Litecoin, and I can transform all this Litecoin into BTT, and I can transfer everything into BTT. That's how I would get in Monero and all that, and then I can just straight withdraw all of this BTT straight to my wallet. That's how easy it is. And then into our last one, we have BTC Capture. This one, by the way, it's kind of annoying website because it logs you out every 5 minutes, but this time it didn't. And basically, it has many coins, including BitTorrent token, and you just fill in captchas. There's 4 different clients here: reCAPTCHA, Solve Media, Rain Captcha, and H Captcha. I like reCAPTCHA because it's the fastest one. There's actually some scripts and bots which actually can dodge these. I don't know if you can abuse them. But you can claim, and you will be getting a base reward of 0.03 BTT every time. Let's see how much is the minimum withdrawal You need only one BTT to withdraw. I don't know how many claims that is. I don't want to do the math right now in the middle of the video. I think it's, okay, so it's around 4 to get 1. So that's 40 claims, and you get 1 BTT basically throughout the website. It's not too bad. Also, you can refer your friends, but the referral payments are actually done only on Bitcoin Cash, just so you know. And that's pretty much the all for. Also, I do want to put out a small shout out to KS Wallet, which is also a micro wallet website, and they're going to be adding BTT soon too. So you want to prepare for that. So I'm going to leave their link down below as well in case you want to check it out. And I think you're going to be adding it very soon. But thanks for watching. Obviously, best way to get BTT is by just holding Tron in your wallet. In some exchanges, they support that do. Every month, they're going to be airdropping BTT to Tron holders. And that's your base and key way to basically earn BTT, so I recommend doing that. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, whatever it may be. Please subscribe, like, all that yada yada yada. I will see you guys next time.